This is how you can make money with Coin app. This crypto app is free and legit. If you can use this app for 10 minutes daily, as explained in this video, you'll be able to earn every day. You'll be able to get paid with this app, playing games, watching ads, like this kind of task, just sliding, matching the color. They call it mental exercise. You tap it and you earn the point and you make the money. So simple. Look at many people with huge points that you can change to money in cryptos. You can watch videos, very few seconds videos, and you earn the coin. As you can see, there are a lot of ways to get paid with this app, but the best payment method that is accessible are through cryptos. Imagine you've invested in Bitcoin since 2013 with just $10. Look at what you are going to get. As of today, you must have made over $2,000. That is over 22,000 return on your investment. If your investment is Ethereum of $10 since 2015, you have almost $7,000. You can see I've been paid twice by this app. This is my proof of payment, the first one and the second one. This is where I withdrew Coinbase wallet, the cash out to another platform. You can see it is Coinbase. This is my second withdrawal. So this app is legit and they pay. If you can use the link below the description of this video to register to access this app, you will have an instant 1,000 coin. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I will show you amazing things you can do with your free cryptos. Do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Let me show you how to use this app step by step. Most of these menus that you are seeing now may not be there as soon as you download the app, but they will start appearing with time. This is a big geomine that you need to confirm as fast as possible. As you are clicking, a lot of people are also doing the task worldwide. If you are one of the first 200 people to confirm any of these big geomine, you earn point. That 58 and 65 position will earn you some point. The first menu you have to concentrate on is this one. It will open up, you'll be able to select geomine modes, and this first one, Open Explorer, will give you opportunity to explore different activities and tasks. Game fields, travel, be able to activate that whenever you are moving around, going to work, driving, traveling. You'll be able to collect reward points. You can activate this physical exercise when you are doing exercise. This mental exercise is most crucial. When you use it, you can change your goal. Just click change goal and start exercise. Change goal will help you to indicate the number of games you want to play. But often I just put like 5. You save it and you start playing the game. And the game are different tasks. You just swap to match. This one you drag to align those symbols. This one is you tap the pairs. Look for anyone that is identical. You tap one. You've completed the game. Click done for now. The point will accrue to the umbrella symbol red that you are seeing. Yes, this one. And you can now click it next. The next one will open. You also see 1 point. In some case, you can do 20 games at the same time. You'll be able to see 20 points that you have. The video will add up as you are doing different tasks. So the next of the menu is this one. The next one is rewarded task. Rewarded task will give you option to select different tasks you want to do. If you are in a country where you can do product scans, you visit a store in a shopping mall, you get points for that. The next one is background reward. This background reward will measure how fast you get reward when you are not using the app. Because I'm using free plan, my basic background reward is 3 hours. That is only 3 hours you get reward at the background. You have to work 90 minutes to activate another 3 hours. If I'm using premium that you pay, within 6 hours, the app will keep on rewarding you. Pro will reward you for 9 hours. Whereas for Plus plan, just work 45 minutes to activate 6 hours. Pro plan, you only work 30 minutes to activate 9 hours for the app to work for you at the background. The next one is this. This one is you'll be able to claim where you are geomining. At the end of every week, you have to drop some of your reward. The volume you drop will determine the percentage of your ownership. Like I just dropped 5 now. I've dropped 15 since this week, and that 15 only earned me ownership of 75%, which has earned me 63.83 out of 83.83 coin. And we have 2 owners that are claiming that area. That is everybody that geomine in that area I'll be able to earn some points. That is the essence of this geoclaim. That is the area that is covering, and it remains just 2 days left. This axe is where you activate the mining. As you keep using this, you'll be able to know how to use it effectively. So with time, you learn how to use it. This is where you do geo drop. This will help you to add geo drop. You'll be able to send reward to your friends, family members, and customers alike. You can slide it, you can type it, you can type the email address of where you are sending the geo drop to and write a note to cover the geo drop you are sending to people. That is, you are sending point out of the point that you've acquired to other users. You can also drop it without writing email for anybody to pick up. Note what I have now. I have 3,662 to show you how it works. You can slide it or you type it. I will geo drop 20 coin. I don't need to write email or indicate any note. I just click drop. You can see after the drop, you can see that it has remained 3,642 and you can see the indicator. I can recall this geo drop. Just click recall. You can see your geo drop was successfully recalled and the point is back 3,662. So when you drop, you can recall. Anytime you drop, you may lose it. Somebody else will pick it up. As you are doing tasks on the platform, the video we upload, look at it. Just earn 5 points. It can be 8 points. If you are on premium, it will be more points. You can see the video will play for a while. You stop it when you see this cancel sign. Then you go back to continue to watch the remaining one. This is roughly how to use this app to make money. As you keep on using it, your point will add up. This is how to pick up reward points. All you need to do is to zoom around on your devices, either phone or iPad. You'll be able to see reward point with a yellow color. You just click on it, then you see the point gathering here. It can be more than one on the same spot. Then you just search around. As soon as you see, you tap and it will add up. It depends on your location and how many people are dropping reward. In my location, I can see a lot of reward on a daily basis. So this is a free app that will hand you free reward. You just click one by one to see and open the reward. Look at it. Okay, this is just 10 coin. This is another 10 coin. This is 100 coin. The next one will be what? 100 coin. This is how to set up your payment details. You click your profile. It will bring out this box. You can see my username, ASK JOFA, and you can see that I'm on basic. That's free option. I'm not premium. So you click redeem details. So you can see the wallet address. This is where you input your wallet address. At this point, you must have opened your external wallet. You go and copy it and come back to this place to paste it. The same thing applies to your NFT wallet. So this is my external wallet where I keep my XYO crypto. This is my second payment. You click receive to copy the wallet address to receive your XYO cryptos. So you come back here, you paste it here. You only paste for the NFT if your external wallet can receive NFT. So this is how you configure and set up your payment details. This is how to cash out on CoinHub. You click this place. As soon as you click, you can see that you can set goals of the coin that you are going to redeem, maybe 10,000, 50,000 goals. These are the redeem option. That is different ways you can cash out. You can see my proof of payment and you select the option you want. But how do you get your money to your bank account in your country? The best option for you is through Binance. But before that, this is my Coinbase account. You can see as of June 7th, I converted my XYO cryptos from here to my choice exchange. You see the link below the description of this video. Another recommendation is using Kucoin exchange platform. This platform supports XYO cryptos and you can also get your money from Kucoin to your account in your country, and that includes Nigeria. The best option for me and my top recommendation is for you to use Binance, especially if you are using MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and other third-party wallets. You can move your cryptos from those wallets to Binance, and from Binance, you do P2P. You get your money in your account in your country. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video. You'll be able to claim a lot of reward for using that link. Thank you. So, what do you think? You can now use this app to your advantage. You see, you have a lot of options. You can convert your money to the currency in your country. You can also invest these cryptos on exchange like Binance, Bybit, and KuCoin. Those exchanges have an investment plans that will earn you cryptos every day as you leave your coin with them. You are getting this coin for free. You have nothing to lose. And if you target good cryptos, it can make you a lot of money in the nearest future. Please know that this is not an investment advice. Crypto's business is a very fragile and delicate one. In fact, you can lose all your money. So, ensure you do your independent research and investigation before you commit your free cryptos that you earn via this app. But using this app is a great way to introduce yourself to the crypto world. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for doing that for me. The next video will take you through different other ways you can get cryptos for free. Ensure you watch that video. While the second video will take you through how to make money, doing tasks like watching videos, downloading app, playing game, using your phone, and you get your money paid directly to your bank account in Nigeria. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comment. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.